Right, yamwa obibia aha efambro Okoman 97.1 ebredu se yede ensemo yabobwa no ya tuni din agudemu ensem Okoman Global Sports afternoon edition no yede nyina enso ede eba yatena cd na ye ensem dodo na ane yede eba ensem wa efa agudemu ane yede bo man konkro Ghana ebibrem ene Europe abrochimemu specifically on the FIFA Qatar World Cup and also tojwa ene be the 13th of December 2022, the year of our Lord. And tia bedo obo ade ase so de nyina asanso aba bi hyemu ewo ha enonyemu a yeguso aye won kwa na ye wa hoden enti bibia eye kama yatena si nsem no a ana ne ye ba be hwe FIFA World Cup the other round no semi-finals no ene ana ye hye ase ene ana semi-finals no hye ase enti Okoman Radio 97.1 Hot Oven Okoman of Lion Kokata 2022 ene ye schedule na semi-finals no live commentary ebetumi abawa kwemu 7 p.m. sharp na ye tenase Okoman Arena ye beyi match no ewo ye nim ya and ye beyi match no 6:30 na so wetumi age wakonwa na waba betenase na waba behwe game ni bi giant screen kese pa na ye de ni nyina so wetumi ade aba ama nyoma etumi akonkan ne ensem wa ye ba behwe no na FIFA World Cup ye hyase ne no ensem dodo na ye wia Black Galaxies wo mo so egu preparation so enne bosom pepe on the 13th of January ana wo kiki off sa CHAN tournament ebetumi akoso enso wo Algeria no enti ene bosom pepepe na tournament no so no ye hyase eho other stories eba ene se ene allegedly no Bukom Banku Ghana yen boxer ba ko pa owa ha Bukom Banku ene wakopiemu ewo police custody wo match no adenti a opanino ene ne yemba ba ko akotwe sikan akowo obi infia ba won say football mu so de ana say boxing mu de professional boxer bia won ko abonten enti sansensem no ene kakra ho ene other stories ene so surrounding across the globe and ye ba be hwe ehun sem nyina entia enko enfama obibia sabri no tune in Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 jumedi no etwegu live say wodwane a na wetumi enjoy show no na bibie tumi akonkan ewo sanso na YouTube no Okoman Radio 971 na enyoma so etumi akonkan ewo honomo executive producer Yenra Kofi Anson ba for HOD Nana Kofi Okore Ajman AK sanso ana pa solo paradise ajopoku opokua ezonam ana ene senior on duty sanso ana efriye enso adwene ewo ha papa the fresh the cash man enso aba bepiemu ewo na eche se bebiewu di man the boy enso ni nemu a ehwe se bibia betumi akonkan mi ginemu adiama ekemidino eye Krobea Asante dino eye Krobea Asante na before then yebetie ensem ediefi coaches ene matches eba so no coaches no wo se yenko o maso ye na yenhwe sede a enuoma so na yeden esi eko niama eko wo makasa ne ade a enti yebeba na yaba behwe sa nioma no ni nyina mu no na nso waba hana wabe ya adi kama wa connect bibia na kama na aboafo a wo mo so yasema yedi dwumedi no so no etumi ede aba Adom live band say ene upe band papa udwumedi wo be ma ase aye kama udwumedi bia wudi say ye your wedding parties any other ceremonial event bia wo hia live band enso wa ase no wudi ni kire Adom live band wo mo be boa abema udwumedi no so etumi aye kama melodiously na bibia so etumi aye fine ekropon kwapem ana ene no wo mo ete obetumi afrem panifo aginchirim dodo na enso wo maso 0242 267538 0242 267538 now so ne Adom live band enso etumi edi enkomo Reginest Hotel Sabra eneupe hotel papa da na ho so etumi ajojo a hotel bi wa akodemu amasa ntontom esense wakoda mukase kra enti ye Reginest Hotel ana ne ye kanfo ediamawo na bibia etumi ai kama executive rooms or twin rooms deluxe rooms standard rooms ana ende economy rooms ni nyina ebi swimming pool kakra enso eda o se weather no asesa summer time ana yen ewremu enso ewo Africa ha ene Ghana ha nyina nti o hyew no ewo ho etise unya swimming pool a emute enite wan na nso wetumi edi egoru wom sanso na conference room kakra eda ho a other programs awodo any meetings awodo nyina akoje ho no a obetumi aye o program na bibia etumi ai kama restaurant bibia obedidi eho nso kama ni nyina bi eho edukrom ekuapem ana wo mo fra wo mo 0503 337788 and as 0244 333373 now so ne Reginest Hotel and so endi kashibum home with nature eno ne wo mo manane a wo mo bo Quick Credit and Investment Micro Credit Limited Esebra ne ope loan e de ayewa de sika ho ayeden papa ente ne ope sika de eye fofo eno an se we Ghana ni na okura Ghana card oba obenye sika startup loan emergency loan and so salary loan any working capital loan ni nyina ebi maso ya oba usika de pocho now so o de call friend penny 4 now on wo so no ending komodo na 0302 200 390 and I say 0596 920833 now so when you want ND and commo quick credit and or say lending made simple one more any aboafo any one more so ya sen ya de dwumedi ni nyina and so e de eba ho ne yebekọ na eni no eyi na anye ye aha yebekọ na ye nga kotietie ensem kakra enye ye e say ba active na bibia eye kama yes eye pe ba active na bibia etumi aye kama enti no inti ebetuma abu atum oh okay enti sa pepe ene matches a ewo ho no eno so sei na ti ye game back on ana ewo ho Argentina they are Celeste womo enso any Blazers of Croatia ana ene womo ni Blazers of Croatia ana womo bona coaches no any other players ni bia enso etumi akasa ewo ho no before then yenko ne yenkoti ensem a coaches awodo na enso etumi akana remu ewo Argentina womo manager ye friend Lionel Scaloni ono ana ne yogine mu na game a ene womo bo anwumre no ordinanu disem kakra etumi aka afa game a eno so eba so no yenti no. Yes, Mugusua aka ehwe na waye bibia kama entimbati yanka na bibia so no etumi aye kama na yaba betie ensemo a ene no managers no enso etumi eka efa games a ene ye no so eba ho na referee a obegine mu Daniel Osato oye Italian referee ono na name penifo aspa ono so nkodi sa kense we na bibia so no etumi enye kama eba so Liceo Economic Stadium eho anande game no enso ebetumi abasona menwe kame abejafo na yemfa bibia enso etumi enhihye so eho no mo kama senior
Krobea
bibia kama
nyame adom bibia kama and ya chin dey when say na first level no yeka ho bibia kama
okay great AJ
who go back
bibia fine Kasa
nyame adom bibia boko ya ahonde o
okay ano ape
ono ape but sisi ano you do semis and me my Croatia has to put Argentina somewhere. Croatia has to take it
anyway near break
and then the whole world is supporting Messi and say then Croatia has lived the dream. They have to lift the trophy. Say Morocco and far Croatia be far.
Okay no so
Krobea.
Then
About the Adam. Divine selection. I can't be there.
And route to Tunia Menina Kama dear.
Oh, Bibia Boko.
Kama.
Bibia Boko. Yeah.
Problem be anywhere.
Problem be anywhere. Say, Yasan Yasha say, a jato no auntie. You're trying to say you 7 p.m. on the dinner.
Bibia Kama.
That's not a Jana Gumo.
Say you wa.
When the day.
Wa, Intino. About 7 na and they work in bibia etumi aye kama okay entino and also eno no yembo yentie ensemo a ene managers nso etumi aka kakra na yeba yenga aba bedwafo na yenga pense ensem nu na nyoma etumi aye kama Lionel Scaloni manager edema Argentina yentino.
We try to see where we can hurt the most our opponent, but we don't only think of ourselves. We also analyze Croatia. We know they have excellent players. And Croatia made some trouble for many national teams. We know where they can enjoy him. That's the most thing we can do as for us and for the world of football. And in case things turn out well, then everything will be good for us. We have our whole country supporting us. They are backing us. But there is still a long road to go. We need to play crucial matches. Tomorrow's game will be a very tough one.
To make
Eyi ene ensema Lionel Scaloni manager enso ede ma Argentina nso no etumi ede to Ghana Croatia femu no papa your friend Zlatko Dalic onene manager oba for the second time wetumi ewremu e semi-finals o hwenim se for the first time no obetumi ewini e hono no yenti nsemo a ono nso eka edefa game no
history. Answer: I have already said that for me, the semi-final match against England in the last World Cup was the greatest match of all times, and the match against Brazil comes in second on that list. And tomorrow's match would be third on that list. It's one of the most important, most significant matches for us. After only 4 years, to repeat such success, such an achievement on the World Cup stage with a new national team is quite fantastic. I do believe that this is a great success. If we manage to win tomorrow, that would make it the greatest historical game for Croatia of all times.
Ene ensema Zlatko Dalic manager edema Croatia so eka won kase mu ani no English translator oba no so no edandan mu a amanioma so no etumi akonkan kama oni abrante friend no Ivan Perisic one player Croatia one winger ba ko a friend no Ivan Perisic oni no na kwen no so no edina no disem kakra etuga game a eba so ene enwumre.
Yes, it's a wonderful feeling to be part of this event and to be in the semifinals. And just like any sportsman, we wish to go into the finals, and we will do our best to reach the finals against Argentina, which, just like the head coach has said, is a major team, and they really do their best, do the 100%. And it will be difficult to compare England and their previous semifinals. I think it's going to be a similar match because England has also had a very good squad, but it depends a lot on us. And if we're we play the right way, just like we played against Brazil, everything is possible without a doubt.
Ene ensema Ivan Perisic enso etumi ade two guy for game one and also ba ho no just massa ene game no wo etumi ahye Brazil Argentina nso no equally strong na mum no wo mo ebekum na wo maye edwuma ama bibia nso etumi aye kama eno ne nsem kakra ono so etumi ade two guy ye de ho nsem ni nyina enso ade Zlatan Ibrahimovic enso player eni edema AC Milan ode asema ba betu ga semasa wo hwe wiase nyina se de ne wadai ayeye wo Ghana ha otu eni eba Okoman studio ha fe decoration ya de akoso wa ha ni nyina kire se Argentina Messi eba beji World Cup or see Mobia and Ada Bibia, it has been written on the sky. Bibia ucha wenia until Lionel Messi and a ne or shenim so no sube to me wini World Cup no amanioma and so etumi a konkan na bibia so no etumi aye kama yebeba na efe yaba be din komo and so wo fie kakra abedwafo atenase na bibia etumi aye kama efriye
Krobea
bibia kama
Yankopon adom Nyamiadmo bia we.
Madam or
Mbajo Oko school.
Okay. No. Well, yabesha see finisi ene yabeshe game wa eba no yeshia e the forecourt of Okoman 97.1. But before then, ube to me the text message and so to me at the Abana WhatsApp message, Also ube to me at the Abana BBA to me aye kama na WhatsApp no 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 eno WhatsApp edubra obe friends so a obetumi afre e dia fa the same WhatsApp line so na bibie to me aye kama sanso ana phone in no and also kasima duni asore so a obetumi afre na wa kire wadwen 0205 818 748 0205 818 748 eno ana obe frɛ ɛwɔ so sanso na WhatsApp enso no any text message no enso 0270 191 971 eno your WhatsApp message ene bra edubra ye be friends so obetumi afrɛ enso afa ho na bibia etumi aye kama senior bibia fine
Ajena da oroma adina bibia kama
mame the next 3 minutes the next 3 minutes no share game one ebaso enenumre Okoman yebeyi ne kama ewe anim ha enti obi bia e boss state na oba betena se kama we didi wo fie edware na be bia ye fine na oba betena ha aba be share game no nice the next 3 minutes share game no emami
Krobea enti ankoma etiefu nyina ene won wa abendom bia obetwa hia ewo arena wo na wo support team na MF ege Krobea wo hwe ene match na from the start of this World Cup up to now wo hwe ese ne won wo boye Croatia ene Argentina woni patu no ayade papa beka say na two teams na hia ne no wo bo na Croatia ne Argentina no beka say won ayade papa because wo hwe for this tournament won ayete potep won na most ni nyina ebi ekofie intino say Croatia etima bedu semi final na beka say why yard Argentina bedu semi final beka say why yard because on the last 4 years when team amedu wo hwe Croatia last 4 years odi second na wo hwe this season so ba nso a ongu ne hu anim ase wasan wura the 4 for semi final ultimate opportunity obetima san kwa the second final na say back to back say in the 2 occasion no we be wetima den ewura mo final na wo hwe Argentina nso say ultimate wura mo e final na se ne na ye ka no Messi ase waje bibibia ewe ase aka World Cup pe obeje den aka ho nti so ultimate wura mo final na ultimate ja no say be the first one also wetima den eje World Cup no nti no this today and then match in a match be a tough match but men can doubt send American share from group stage Croatia ultimate a ball fit on Morocco a ball draw ultimate we need 2 matches aka ultimate progress to the quarter final ultimate Spain film Osambe Brazil efima ultimate say in one so no say why ya but and then match in a match be a thing men can now a bad papa because last time I won the 2 Ocean Argentina carry the day no at the quay into and semi final we beka say yetimi the real final na enya ade be better am Argentina Croatia because we share Croatia matches we boy na out of as we nya group stages say one share go and kasa ade bia den ma no one share go and kasa den ma no but we make sure so no bobo na up to the last part now say go be my local penalty because we are sure say in the last equal penalty we gidi we go pem say anye den go penalty chiri one ball na so ache ball no so ya can to be make sure say yam go back kokora na den ento nchene nti ya ade bia ebe ye den ama Argentina but o hwe Argentina from first start now Saudi Arabia share one to no be any say Argentina they one way no World Cup on den elebe in the group stage but with me call when to me win 1-2 matches edi anim to so man with me qualify once we buy one match say want to me Paul we na about me do bad this time to show Argentina once we ekba say one shegu wa yade so me last one quarter final wo Netherlands wo penalty with me win therefore what me qualifier what me be do ya nti wo hwe 2 teams na say ba penalty won patu na yade but din ama 2 teams ni na say ball na bo no obi abenya tatere because anya de better sa ama won patu no wo hwe ene match na cracker men Canada because Croatia be pese obekọ final na at least for last year when Timmy Enye whereby France na the AJF won them whereby na that time no wo hwe midfielders France kura N'Golo Kante Pogba ene Matuidi wo hwe na sam for na 2 high ma wait me dey etimi break one fin now na wait me dey etimi DJ cap no said this time no say Argentina per se wait me break Croatia for now be midfield battle unless say with me break the midfield no so that Argentina for now dey betimi ashego no o hwe Croatia for say na ade obetimi say passes betimi fi midfield everything acquire Messi one say Messi be jump be take on so ni ade no na everything ama pass bi a won say sense pass hu obetimi de ahye go no so otimi block say na mani na ebetimi aboya Croatia for na won atimi progress to the semi final wo hwenti no ene match na yen ma because Argentina better qualify for but yen fala sa yen is because Croatia for lentana we say because we jam fala ma Argentina for na continue match na yiki Krobea ebeyeding papa I mean Canada ebeyeding
okay ebeyeding eno senior ha no so ede kakra etumi ede egu eje twen Mike na won fifin no twen fifin di no na yenye ejuma ne bibia na bibia so no enye kama so far remu Facebook Martino 1 ede about good afternoon I'm watching live from Kumasi Martino the building contractor okay we your contractor ampa ubu ejuma aba bibia etumi akonkan Asante Bequin ede about Argentina is going out today too bad my trade will go to waste but I do hope they qualify and play Morocco in the final. Okay, Asante Bequin so there and also Eddie Abayawsebe and so Eddie about watching live from Gospel Oak Barber Shop inside Amekom Kumasi. Croatia will beat Argentina tonight. Okay, and also Eneka Kra and also Eddie about to me the text message and I say WhatsApp message and so to me Eddie about 0270191971 kakra na e baba so redwumedi ni so a nso ubetumi afrɛ so e wo WhatsApp call enso afa hɔ no mu a na bibia nso no etumi aye kama eje bibia fine
Amiadum.
So
you keep asking me this because
to say
now I wasn't all that way. Don't say whether it change December, whether it changes. So okay, say it was summer. And
yes.
Yeah. Tigana and you name the difference between summer, winter, and stuff.
Summer, I didn't design your brochure for you.
So I brochure for now. So winter by now when, but some of us we don't know the difference. All we know is that it's sunny, is raining, and one in him. It is also where they are. Yes. Na kakraba sisi adie. I'm standing on my feet.
Okay.
It's not that strong, but Bibia fine.
Oh, okay.
With you guys around, so dear.
And the okase mu na nkasa me hu say
enoma didi. Central frame na enkoye kra. On say football players no sometimes especially the stars when they are down but they want you to play the next game. Your wall panebi. So that
why would be now
I'm telling you my WhatsApp panel no
we superwoman.
Yeah,
we superwoman.
I'm learning from you.
We superwoman. Yanko. Eje fa yanko.
Krobea at long last Katano eba ni wiye. Ayami yamum because I've really enjoyed the ride from the beginning till this time. We've seen great footballers. We've seen countries making history. We've seen upsets in the World Cup, and the stars have been crying. But it's the semis, Croatia versus Argentina. I think Croatia will be the fourth country if we need Ene and Umria to come into the World Cup back to back. They will be the fourth country. And look, Croatia no. The World Cup no. It's so fantastic in a sense. These people they play as a team. They're always together. It's like they don't know what they want. When you're more boy, I said they don't know what they are up to. I said we a team. They will allow you play all the game. If you don't score them, as we've all seen and the record is there. If you don't score them within the 90 plus minutes, penalties there. I said we are there. We do each from. But this Argentina team too, and then I'm super sports. So I say Argentina so there. We ban the penalties so they are good out there. It's going to be the clash of the Titans and Okoman. Whoever takes it. But for me, already Medican can say I would wish say Morocco be far because they've been to the semi-finals back to back. And if they win it, Croatia, yeah. If they win it, it's not by fluke. It's by their hard work. And Argentina, I know the whole world is supporting Leo because Leo, this is his last World Cup at Oba, and he would like to win the World Cup, and he called the numbers with Maradona, yeah. So I think that is it. But one thing I don't like about Argentina is the way they play the game against Netherlands. To me, Ebano. Last minute, no, yes, but they don't discipline on the field at all. Croatia, Croatia should go all out tonight. They shouldn't come and play any beautiful football for us. The Old Testament says, I think this is what should happen tonight at 7 p.m. Croatia shouldn't sit and play beautiful football. And now, at the end of the Netherlands, no. They should meet Argentina back to Messi will far born on
AJ.
No, Netherlands.
Yeah.
Say players to bench.
You are talking about
now
the physicality of the game. It is part of the game.
No, but if you look at Croatia, they are not like that. They sit back, midfield near. But these people, no, on the born with all their strength, because they really mean this trophy. But yes, the way they play, no. And see me, I wish Croatia the best of luck, and I pray, say, they would win this on penalties. Say yes, penalty is their game, so I pray they win this on penalties. It's been great World Cup from start to this time. We see who qualifies and we get to the finals. Okay, AJ Ajwa Anane or the Nensem Kakran so to me gugua solo obey juma no do na mami and minim say udi juma why you prepared pa yanko.
That's a minimum. Okay. I mean, here for now, I have first for Facebook in Chiomo, and that's where my baby girl, Rose, Akonobia, Nanaya, and then the birthday. Oh, yeah, me, I'm a baby girl, my small girl. It is not baby, no one to say. Until they say baby, no one they say you. Oh, they say more for baby say penny. Baby, where you me.
Use the microphone.
Me say, Ghana Sisiano.
Me ban the time.
Ghana Sisiano say come me see baby boy.
Yeah.
Now I'm talking about my baby boy.
Where me ba?
That's my baby boy.
My
sweetheart. Yo.
Enti me ba Nanaya Rose Akonobia. And then now
oh, great. Happy birthday, happy birthday, and for man pa. Nyame kan hona o mana hodin na bibia.
Krobea. Give no Basso and then you may easy. And almost share 5 times. This is the 6th time 2 teams no Asia and per records no obia we need 2 and abakom and so I draw and what share send you Messi here omushia there emuya den 2 teams no performance mechere Croatia and Oman the Argentina where our performance say see our World Cup we ma there was so and Argentina shall say Mademana nko against Saudi Arabia, but in the last 2 games so group no obe winning and the qualify the konenim eto aso amene waba be do semi-finals ye na ye hu Croatia and so ne de e group nim and sana ho qualify ko round of 16 and no so ne Madembo okoshia Japan a ochi Germany e na ochi Spain e no but still Croatia to me qualify ahead of Japan e konenim aba be do this stage e ade a Madembo no was Croatia hwe nim say oba qualify akọ finals no aba be 4th team wa qualify ewram finals back to back and Argentina so hwe say e 1986 our no World Cup trophy atwato no ontumi NGBM o hwe nim say oba qualify akọ finals na fe won say oba beje ne etoso miensa no yes possible edman say what do finals na dem obetumi age and almost hwe anim so mesen qualify akọ finals in pensia and so World Cup tournament munti and you may game no ya dia ebe easy game sa e dia ma afanu nimi the first time omushia way back 1994 na international friendly game and ebe we no abanta ni de Mauricio Pineda enya that goal no e dia ma omaya ni de Argentina second meeting no ebe World Cup and omushia 98 Argentina and Croatia Asia World Cup. And a honor Argentina actually Croatia winning 1-0. Almost another meetings almost share World Cup no. Last 4 years near course or Russia 2018. Croatia Argentina 3-0. Qualify ahead of Argentina. And I'm Argentina to me and Konenim our tournament no. And so you Ante Rebic, Luka Modric, and Abante and the Ivan Rakitic. And then that 3 goals no. At the Argentina Oman the Croatia. And to almost champagne me our World Cup. Obia winning back. And then you may game no as I about that record. What ube winning Edia Uniano. Performance no. Okay, can't they call him? Oya Mpendo do Meshiana. Goals no. Croatia shot 7. Argentina shot 5 goals. And the Croatia shot Argentina. Otumisha goals no do. Omo number call efficacy mu no. Obetumi atwa e de ama more. E de ama Oman the Croatia. Or Argentina one shot no cry no. Otumisha 3 goals. Argentina so Asia Croatia one shot no e 2-1. 1 goal margin etumi bam. But Croatia shot Argentina 3-0 pen and one shot 7 goals as against 5 goals. And the Croatia Argentina and we are 10. 2 teams no. Yes, Argentina compare team no from goalkeeping to the last man. Determine say this year tournament no boni goalkeeper Emiliano Martinez obeka say on top notch team Europe Aston Villa. Yes, waje Champions League da but that time Champions League da Aston Villa je no na ebe de amane so obeje and the performance nei EPL no so no ade en sheda amfa enti anka Argentina as a national team goalkeeper from Aston Villa, they know behind them say, oh, but don't to me my but when the performance are other Neddy, Ediema Argentina, Dominic Livakovic, goalkeeper, Ediema Croatia, and also another goalkeeper, Nemodemono so conkai. And the 2 teams, you know, in terms of goalkeeping, Obia Modemono also, and then goalkeepers in the you know, and the best save 2 countries, no. Wow, Ubeko when you goalkeeper. Because about the penalties, Emiliano Martinez, will say penalties no ni moche. And Livakovic and some will say also penalty no ni moche. The last game of boys not qualified to the semi-finals. Or 2 penalties at the Croatia. The same thing. And Emiliano Martinez and so the Argentina 2 goalkeepers no. And number decided coaches ni me no. I bet tactics. Variation ahuro ewa gopamanso players na omu gina gopamanso from defense to the strike no strikers no almost be ye adwuma no obi abekire no modemo but ejina 2 goalkeepers na so say Argentina be sha eja Livakovic so the performance will go post nim and be Argentina sha enye penalty nko na onimo che but ye bo open play game wa ni saves so ya there etumi aboa Oman and the Croatia and Argentina so the same thing. Lionel Messi medical can say upon the 5 tournaments I work on World Cup no we and me best year make us Messi ball our World Cup and na yen say na knockout stage Messi so we should go our knockout stage no emu ya den edman but this year there no when you go our knockout mu stage at the Argentina and the performance na ya there was so otumi drop it every animo be chire ebeje bomb esen pushi ehwe dipo any Abrantia ni de Fernandez omomodemo e wo Medford no at the Argentina. And also you are there back one work the Argentina and I said goalkeepers no and then Medford no so be adwuma because Argentina the Fernandez eba okita Depo or the neighbor and McAllister and so eba Croatia so ekita Luka Modric, Mateo Kovacic and afa Marcelo Brozovic almost an experienced midfielders tournament we yeka as a yeka country okita best midfield so far South Croatia team no because we have midfielders ekito ma Marcelo Brozovic e Inter Milan abobe more than 5 seasons emu bie nu wa flop the performance no enim always at the Inter Milan. Luka Modric there ye ni ye describe no Real Madrid. Mateo Kovacic from Madrid to Chelsea. And also a boy STD kakra Real Madrid and so about Chelsea. No about Chelsea. No be a key member. Chelsea team. No na who Chelsea team no. Edu baby Kovacic eko injury. Na fifi wono Chelsea nioma eto acho edmamo. And the some players when no so won fifi wo. And also be adwuma. Enso to me the amount man ni dey Croatia and Argentina. But ye ko anim ho no na na be ka say Argentina wo strikers are make us omo ye sharp. Esen oman ni dey Croatia. Per Croatia no o he Kramaric adwuma o ye e tournament ni mu na. Ne modern share dem ko saa ye. But compare Argentina there no at least Messi nko a cancel Croatia omo forwards no nyamu. Uyi Messi si nchen am o Julian Alvarez young child from Manchester City or mu tournament to him ni made in addition Edema Argentina ni but o he modern other than the Lautaro Martinez nanka will be expect say ye best start no I on Messi but Martinez amaya who said tournament to him on kan ho kra yes on kan ho kra and Julian Alvarez ababeji that position until Argentina forwards ni there I sharp esen Croatia and Croatia so ni mu ni say the forward so yes sharp nti ono ba or making sure say game no be travel to extra time and even a be penalties.
Okay, so I think there two teams we share Croatia film obi bia intact injury bia any problem bia any but Argentina lose out on one more two players fullbacks that is Marcus Acuna and Gabriel Montiel.
Yeah, it's
how bad yes. In fact, and I say Argentina still materials are equally one be to me a match search positions.
Krobea Asante Acuna ne side one na Abrante and the Tagliafico. Yeah, everybody be sure that place wo every ama oman ni de Argentina. And the other player no yeah
Juan Foyt and Molina
Molina so obebo Molina obe start Molina Montiel no yes na the modern money are there come kan no help my last game call my boy na modern money was wrong by obe start Molina and ya dia e be affected babyamisuro no e yakuna yira ho because Tagliafico no obe mu no a me nse den hu ni ye
okay
especially a defender but was all joining attack now or you good
okay
ne de na kwa say Gideon Mensah Babarama no mo de ni be Blasters and to no joining attack no you good but o defender and then ade ba ko ha but medical so aka say o we Croatia team no mani mu no en she den ye sharp enti no de ya de e be affect Argentina no obetutu ni ma ye no two coaches no two teams no players no adwam de be ko game nim determination no ani na ene betumi aboa ama
o sha afenu mienu na be koden
so also for some pa there game we you be extra time home and of course extra time there e be difficult the Argentina.
All right, and also any kakra solo paradise and so they are to Ghana ne baba no ho fe pa zigi display no Facebook come on enti obaba no ho fe papa your friend den Nana Ya Rose Akonobia Nana Ya Rose Akonobia super pa enti no ubetumi the WhatsApp message yes still WhatsApp message ubetumi dia 0270 191971 ekasimedu ne asore so ya obefre e was 0205 818 748 0205 818 748 ana WhatsApp no so no ubetumi afre e WhatsApp senia me de number no etumi e de atugana uremu e Facebook messages no so no aba kakra yen kan fama yetie for na bibia so na yen kama Kofi Ajman Black My Dear about watching you live inside Pick Farm in Accra. Okay, I think say we no dey my justice for already and you know no every year yen share game no kakra be yesima biensantem
Krobea meda wase ni akwenya de amem na mechia Okoman yetifo sena de bia mekan se tifo ni no Okoman enso eno Krobea coming into today's game Croatia against Argentina. We are hoping to see after 12 years
in football history, to see a team obe losing the first game in a World Cup match. Na wasang ababe wini. In the year 2010, Spain losing the first game against Switzerland, but Okame back stronger ababe wini tournament in the year 2010 South Africa. And a game, senior Mebra Penny Pasolo Kaino. Mimi say it's going to be a midfield battle because in the year 2018, Croatia about tournament with a striker. He was very reliable. In the person of Mario Mandzukic. But this year, Argentina, Croatia striker. So with that, when they are playing, say they play as a team. And they can contain you till the timer. They will see you have elapsed your energy. Then they take you to extra time. Now after penalties, they come out victorious. With the Argentina team, we all saw many interviews going around for the players saying, this tournament, they are playing it for Messi to also equal Maradona's record of winning the World Cup. Until all the time when they are playing, you see, they are playing as a team. Individual play, they play as a team and they are playing for Messi to win the World Cup. This game, I see it to be a very difficult game for both sides. But with Mario Mandzukic, Brozovic, and Modric in the middle of Croatian national team, I see they are really going to do well. And the main game is going to be between Pasolo cannot come between two goalkeepers, but Mimu say it's going to be the two captains, the number 10s, Messi number 10 and Luka Modric number 10. In this game, they are really going to play a role. Only that will be to me, I bring your team together and one will be to me, I carry the day. So for me, I'm really going to expect a very good game. And for me, being an anti-Messi fan, I would expect Croatia. I would expect Croatia to move forward to the final and even lift the trophy. Even though we are all hoping Morocco ever lifted the flag of Africa high by going to the final, even winning the trophy. For me, today being a game against Croatia and Argentina and Messi in the Argentina team, I would wish Croatia to progress to the final.
Okay, well, 3, 4, 5 minutes. Okay, obetinemu kakra ba me na yanga hu said ya na yen exercise bi kakra nti senior mpacha obema okay okay. All right. Yeah. So lo ba be we bi wo local hono mama me. Okay. 4 minutes. 4 minutes, yeah. Papa ni amemu na yenko.
So let's say the band birthday. I don't know about how to happen.
Yama Equiapim citizen. Happy birthday.
You're
wishing happy
Equiapim citizen.
Oh yeah. To me, your command listeners back you very special birthday.
Okay.
Very special.
Citizen.
Yes, a very special birthday and confirm.
Coming time,
yes.
Now yeah, coming time.
Okay, Krobea, a quick one on Argentina-Croatia game. Game we equal a lot of history. The last time Argentina and Croatia boy in a World Cup was 3-0 against Argentina, and Croatia so could do the grand finale of the World Cup. Krobea, Croatia, our history going into this game. When him say Croatia had independence in 1993, but they were recognized in 1995. And over in 2013, that was when European Union they won 2 matches and a European country, 2013. But then they was said about active football from 93. But Russia, they were one progression, one growth in football, fantastic. From 93, and then one World Cup finals, back home. Mm-hmm. Now, this could be their second time going into the finals. Yeah. Into the Chelsea final, and I give them over a history. Tipping who to win this game, Krobea, I don't want to be partial here or biased, but you see, Argentina are fighting really, really hard. So if they want to win the World Cup, and they fought really hard, and they are playing as a team, and they are playing for Lionel Messi, and They want Messi to win the tournament, not Argentina. They want Messi
to win the tournament. Same as Croatia. They also want Luka Modric to win the World Cup. And then it's between the two number 10s, Luka Modric and Lionel Messi. Your best step up in the game, no, or no never carry the day. A big game. I don't want to predict, but quick one on that, and I would say, may the best team, best team on the field of play. No, what about there? No, on our wedding, be winning, and what about take your chances? No, on our wedding, we qualify to the grand finale. Being a Lionel Messi fan, I would have wished Anka Messi everything my boy Remo grand finale. But a football. One thing I've noticed about Messi is that he do this bigger stage, you don't see him. Pressure, no, I'm a pressure fan. But a certain Cristiano Ronaldo could have do this stage, you know, Onoka Yasha Portugal, one on Konoka Mexican and Science, not Portugal. But when it comes to Lionel Messi, Lionel Messi pay. Now, the whole Argentine team is disorganized. And even Messi and Gazano are in a game. So if Lionel Scaloni pursue winning game now, you should make sure say Obenya 2 goals. When Argentina scores 2, that's it. But almost now about 70 minutes. Now go by, they should forget say they will score Croatia. They should forget. Because Senia Paso look and the game no Ebejana midfield. And the likes of Luka Modric, Kovacic, and Brozovic, in terms of experience, more as in the lives of Enzo Fernandez and Rodrigo Di Paul. But I want Angel Di Maria to start this game. If Argentina wants to win. And once started Di Maria, it will allow Croatia to push forward. But don't start Di Maria, but Croatia is good in terms of attacking. Good. Any skillful player out front attacking more. All that they will do is play from the midfield. Just controlling the game, almost control game. Now that's what they will be doing. Now I'm gonna take you to the extra time or probably penalties. But if Argentina wants to win, they should also attack. Defensively, Croatia also shut down you good. Defensively, because Osha Branty and they Vardio and Lovrina. Yes, Lovrina used to experience. Vardio also using the talent now and then the strength now one. But in terms of understanding, no, in terms of, I don't know what's the Croatia team. Loving what petty mistakes be oh yeah, bon se Vardio and Ababe Covano, no Abe Clay, Starbo on the floor. But Argentina that I know, who committed petty mistakes, no, Julian Alvarez out front. Alvarez will punish you, or very quick and smart. Into on your star strikers, no Baby General, and we battle for the ball. No, on your the likes of Olivier Giroud, Lukaku type be. Alvarez is a player or draw to the midfield, a Bobby. So who was a defender like Dejan Lovren or be finding difficult in handling Abrante and Julian Alvarez. So I would say it's a very tough game, very tough game. But a compim the 70th minute, now Argentina and Shaya, I think it's a very difficult for them to qualify.
Okay, and also, I don't know, Sabri, Ebredu say, wow, utie, and so no, wow, share, and I utie, ube to me afraid, Abim 0205 818 748 0205 818 748. Ube to me so afraid, WhatsApp 0270 191 971 0270 191 971. WhatsApp ube to me afraid, Sanso and phone and also 0205 818 748. Now wait to me about so about bechewa adwena bibia so no etumi aye kama na eke buko banku say any
fight. Let me know.
Why
then?
Okay, now we need an introduction no. Okay. Or the second on the bar.
I want to
say they be one more call obisi kan wa bontin as a professional boxer.
I'm a professional boxer. Professional boxer be no best idea.
Yes, but professional boxers one more mremu no. Woni ho kwan say obekon wa bontin.
That's what I'm saying. So onye intina man here professional.
Oh, you're professional.
I'm saying say
I say study. Yen hwe sa asem no kakra.
Onye professional. Someone say hwe dia. So who involve yourself in this act, it doesn't make you a professional. Because professionalism no niam be break down discipline. I can't. Professionalism, no. Discipline. You need to be disciplined. It is as a boxer, and as I said, I want friend is a professional boxer. No. Now involving in this actor, I don't think they're right. I say, and police for I to me actually no. na me say mrano nso ani ni bedi oko wo bi seconds ono ba ko attack you bi say no matter the they be na make no matter the issue ben fam ran fan show nsem men fa o public figure am phone him no famous in Ghana he said didn't now ono ba ko attack you the police should deal with him and they should make sure that they will prosecute him that's any odifo a asotwe bi e wo no yem fam ma no
well AJ Endra ya ye nyoma bia say no Ghana Football Association ye per talent pa and ye me pa unse baby my one no baby my one no intino eje say working kan mu bia na Ghana Football Association identification one more identify talent ni ade no onkan bi
say card them young no must start ya cho
Keto Kreku say under 13 ni under 15 ye ba be grumi akampe omo na just ye training omo the Ghana no.
But I think it's a good idea. What's wrong with it?
I'm not saying it's a good idea, but how to implement it? For one, only facility no. How are you going to implement this? There's any problem, no?
We take on.
Now, there were no facilities, but Ghana produced Asamajans, Stephen Pierce and Co. I know there are no facilities, but and then our started to say we have facilities. Morocco is there, I question the facilities, Omoko and I but this is your country. You know how it rolls out over here.
Yes.
Look, I support him. On starting,
it's not about support to NDA support a very good initiative. We all wishing for sign your money between about but see no then how are we going to implement
so under 13
that? Yes.
Under Mikra almost
be campaign 260 I don't know how so be calling district and I say BVI yes.
Don't you think almost started schools no crank schools no because I started schools normally there are some talents out there. Yeah, I think you need to you can pick talents from all these places. Now is it because tournament I just say for is that why? But you should know that the Moroccan team
we are not comparing teams.
Listen, let me tell you this. Some say they should go to schools and and you say you start since the 80s so you born to schools
so what exactly is your problem?
My point is say you born to schools you born to schools over the years and that's who born to schools but because the year needs to have facilities na they be groom star players in Intino and go see
but say he has the mindset say obey facilities
meba o campaign korano pitch ben so na mo ko bobo pitch ben so na mo ko bobo when you don't have pitches where are they going to play
this year yewura
only pitches korano ko bobo
I'm not sure. Maybe when you come, you don't have a bed. I hope I say you are going to sleep on. Of course, I'm sure. Say
now we need that.
We need that so because let's say pram car. Okay, could say or I be renovate pram
and renovation why na.
Say it's time.
So finish with it. Deal with it.
So or industry.
Yeah.
Unim said the new mind. With this assertion, ubetumi aka say. A possible this early next year you see more in these 260 camps are then boom they started a campaign Maiwa age 11-12 any in Bema age 11-12
the fact that he's even thought about it nothing is too late because say a World Cup near it's another 4 years. Say a China. Yes, and yes, and then you I'm sure say when you plan down, now we whether it's campaign or not, because the father is even thought of it alone. It's alone. Made me feel say he's on the right course. I mean, facilities no be provided. Just give him time. Who said the next generation will be better than this one.
AJ, FIFA Goal Project. FIFA Goal Ghana, you're close to $10 million from FIFA Goal Project. Put here, one facility this are $10 million and I Okroma.
So why are you basing it on Kreko alone?
Now he is the FA president. See, now he is the FA president. We're also close to 4 years in the year. Every year, Ghana $500,000. What you find error? Nante chechomko. You find error. 3 years ni or $1.5 million.
This year you have a man. and I'll see. I friend of person
the last year they're not there. Last year they're not there. Last 2 years they're not there. Last 3 years they're not there.
Okay, on this we know. Mimi when he say, the government on the day and our let down the sports we know.
No.
In terms
because
of
when you read,
compare.
The government will help the Moroccan team.
Yenya sports minister. Yenya sports minister. 10 pitches. Our start you. Yeah, come on. Yembisa Yemu say the current state of those pitches are not 10 or start here. One state.
And I know bano.
Okay, wait. Mebao. If you know, if you know, say autonomous. When it comes to money, a basic say autonomous. Now, a bank infrastructure, I better buy no, a invest or no. Meba, a bank na study. A bank na Accra Sports Stadium. Was it Kumasi Sports Stadium? Was it Tamale? Was it Sunyani? Was it Stadium? Sunya. If you know, Ghana Football Association, one facility buy no better than Zapi Makas. Why?
Yes, on okay.
Abandoned to Cape Coast Sports Stadium. That's where Black Stars have games. FN bet Wembley. Because Wembley when is here.
Yes.
Okay. In the FN bet when is happening. In a Ghana Football Association, you buy into existence. Facility when they are here.
And me say,
project facility when now. Who has a Galaxy boys on page?
Sports ministry no let you down a very big time because Sanyoma win now. I'm very sure say. Who ye FA president open game ni year. You want to say who put the minister on his toes. Now I'm on also at the same message na then. Ako because under you under same okay to Kreku ana minister or on and start to say juma way. It is so only wa wo as FA president in was on here then.
Yes, that's what we are saying. Say FA no on here FA in here you may be adi.
No, both of them. You cannot.
I'm saying that
when it comes to infrastructure, there's no way you can blame the FA without mentioning the ministry.
Krobea. Ministry, no, and I say yes, government, no, or your infrastructures. AstroTurfs are all Ghana, and you this year alone, and I said this government alone, AstroTurfs are my year more than 100 AstroTurfs. There's a F in one crowd to my yana. It's a kasi youth development and I say development and government more than the FA. I buying this can 50 for government on this can 50 for say or the year pitches and I say we facility be I'm a football. FA no a go project and there was say every year ma do sika say fire side way. Ebiana na go fit na ba FA say okay project how you and so any ko nkan ma me support you.
Ebiana FA no so nya asase.
Onya asase we pram na da way pram na da way
look
pram na da way omo nya asase bet power omo bet power sign deal you wan ga so kwa kwa so tell pram wan ga so kwa
senior yanko
yapon but ye bebem chasem ye bebem senior ye kan se na ye na ye kan ye na ye peniye but say uko feli na say ye o ba na sound bibi be boom senior be ya ma be because of say wako feli ntino uni say dey no be from ni pa nyina adwuna akwaso ye won very careful ye na ye ni da ho
okay every year yakọ
Krobea, back to where the final time ya delve into because we say Kate in the campaign na Oguzi for next year election.
All right, and you know, I had everyone kwan amaya the Okoman Global Sports afternoon edition no jetini nyina and so ABC executive producer Yenra Kofi answer on power for HOD Nana Kofi Okore Ajman AK senior on duty Paradise ene Ajo Apoko ezonam efriye ana eneno DJs Gibi omunyina eboya majumedi ne konkan midin Krobea Asante Quick Credit and Micro Investment Limited eboya Adom Live Band and Reginest Hotel ana wo mo eso ya asema di jumedi no enso ede ebremo ye sore so ama jumedi awodro na enso etumi atoa so ewo honom na bibia etumi ai kama enwumre 6:30 sharp na yatenase na yede Okoman Arena Hot Oven of Okoman Yenko Kata 2022 live commentary between Argentina and Croatia. Ya debe bremo live enti obi bia mba mbishi mu ewo Okoman Arena yen enim he ya na enwumre yen enjoy game no na bibia enso enye kama. Good afternoon.